On this episode of DGDGTV, we're going to take a look at the differences between the Infiniti Q50 and the Q60 to help you decide which vehicle is best for you. Number 1. Exterior. It can be difficult to tell the difference between the Q50 and the Q60 when first looking at them, but the biggest giveaway is that the Q60 is a 2-door coupe and the Q50 is a 4-door sedan. The Q60 is shorter in length by about 6 inches, shorter in height by 2 inches, and 1 inch wider than the Q50, creating tidier proportions befitting a coupe. The Q60 also has a slightly more exaggerated style and appearance on its exterior body. The back end of the Q60 compared to the Q50 has narrower taillights, a shorter trunk lid, a larger pair of tailpipes, and the rear license plate mounted below the bumper instead of above. Number 2. Trunk space. Although this may be a less important point for someone interested in these two vehicles, let's go over the differences in trunk space. You'll get more trunk space in the Q50 by over 4.5 cubic feet. The Q50 gets 13.2 to 13.5 cubic feet, depending on whether you've added the audio package, while the Q60 will only get 8.7 cubic feet. Number 3. Performance. Underneath the hood of the Q50 and the Q60, they're almost the same vehicle, but let's break it down here nonetheless. The two vehicles currently on camera are both the top trim 3.0T Red Sport 400. For both the Q50 and the Q60 Red Sport 400, you get the exact same specs with 400 horsepower at 6,400 RPM and 350 pound-feet of torque. These are both incredibly fun vehicles to drive, utilizing Infiniti's direct adaptive steering technology. The only differences you'll see in specs is when you get into the different trim levels. On the 2019 Q50, there are 4 available trim levels. There's the Q50 2.0T Pure, 3.0T Luxe, 3.0T Sport, and the Red Sport 400. In the 2019 Q60, there's only 3 available trim levels. Your options for the Q60 are the 3.0T Pure, 3.0T Luxe, and the 3.0T Red Sport 400. It's also worth mentioning that there's an available all-wheel drive option on every trim level for both the Q50 and the Q60. Lastly, interior and technology. On the interior of both vehicles, you'll find lots of luxury materials and soft touch points. You'll get the driver's seat dual occupant memory system, Bose Performance Series audio, and the Infiniti InTouch connectivity with navigation. Some of the available technology you'll get in both the Q50 and Q60 are lane departure prevention, active lane control, predictive forward collision warning, forward emergency braking, adaptive cruise, an around view monitor with moving object detection, and backup collision intervention. Again, to see all the differences and available features and technologies on each trim level, visit DGDG.com for a more detailed breakdown. So there you have it, the Infiniti Q50 and the Infiniti Q60. Which of these two vehicles do you think is right for you? Let us know in the comments section below, and be sure to set up a test drive at Stevens Creek Infiniti in San Jose today.